What's up, guys? We are here at Raceway Park for a private day with Louie's Lemons. We're gonna jump out there, get a little practice run with the camera setup. What's up, Tyler?
These Louie's Lemons, I made these just so I could give you one.
What'd you think of the last one? I wasn't looking, I saw a lot of dirt when I looked. About to go on a run on a 1.6 Miata, killing the game. Shout it out, bud.
Hell yeah. It's fuzzy.rhombus, Ryan Mastrolio.
Hell yeah.
Not a social media guy, but I'm around.
It's okay.
Fuck yeah.
We'll send it.
All right.
Let's go.
Yeah. I always go for back and see if it works.
That was fucking good entry though. Kick it on transitions. Kick. Kick it. Woo, fuck that clutch up. Woo.
Actually make it smoke.
Perfect.
Okay, this is Chris Knapp with East Coast Drift School, and if you want to hit us up to learn how to drift at any lesson or testing, hit me up at East Coast Drift School on Instagram, and we can get going from there.
Bye. Have a wonderful time. That's it. Check out Louie's Lemons, and also don't buy them. Just look at them. Oh. Don't buy them. Just look at them.
Plenty of great cars. I sold no car.
This is serious. We're packing up to leave, and we are like, I don't know, about to experience a tornado or some shit, or get hit by lightning. So the car broke down, and I'm being towed back. Thank you guys for coming back and helping. Also, Chris is gonna be nice enough to let me leave the car at the track. It could be something simple, but it could be something not so simple. And if it's just a fuel filter, I'll mess with it a little bit, but I don't know. I think Probably just pick it up and go home. We wanted to have a little mini drift weekend. We are.
Broken cars and all. Not mine. Hey, both of my cars.
By the way,
work.
I flew in here to arrive and drive. 2 fucking trucks later. 3 days with no sleep.
He slept like 6 times, just not a full night.
If it's not the timing belt, then it's the fuel filter. So that'll be easier. I have a fuel filter, but if it's the timing belt, I need to run to the store, which is probably 20 minutes away, and then replace the timing belt at the track and then drive home. Happy birthday to me. You ever try to pay attention to conversations in another language even though you don't speak it?
Yeah.
That's what I do all the time.
I can definitely understand what they're saying.
You might want to come around the other side at this
Doing
point.
some rips at East Coast Drift School the day before East Coast Bash. Because why not?
We got Louie's Lemons on the camera. We just figured out what the problem with my car is, so I get to go home, which is sick, nasty.
After we thought it was like 6 other problems.
But hey, we've got a new fuel filter now. Checked a whole bunch of other things. Like the fuel filter probably would have fell off pretty soon anyway. It was super bad. Turbo Tyler's never even seen things like that.
Yeah.
Literally.
He's like, I'd have thrown a car away for less.
He has. He was like, man, do you know how many cars I've thrown away? That looked so much better than this. So much better than this. Well, hey, look under there. Yeah, that looks pretty solid.
Oh, I just heard the fuel pump FDR doing.
Did it? Oh!
Good to go.
Yeah. We've been messing with this stupid thing for so long.
Yeah, you buddy.
So long.
Drift Week Light. What's up, everybody? Thank you so much. Jeremy was on his way here, but I fixed it before he got here. Look at this, all the parts. He was ready. Huge shout out. I know you don't really do the social media thing, but go ahead and shout out somebody you like Drift Kitchen or
Too
something.
busy doing
Oh
video
yeah.
things.
Shout out to Drift Kitchen, Alexis and Taylor, you guys are the best.
There it is. Hell yeah. Good shit. Thank you so much.
Also, I brought you guys water.